Hi everyone, in this video, we'll walk through how to purchase a phone number on Twilio. Start by opening the Twilio console and logging into your account. From the left-hand navigation menu, select Phone Numbers under the Account dashboard. Click on Manage, then choose Buy a Number from the drop-down menu. Clear any existing filters and select your desired country. Next, enter your search criteria that match the beginning digits of the phone number you're looking for. A list of available numbers will appear. Click Buy next to the one you like. You'll now see the details of your selected number. Check the box to agree to Twilio's terms and conditions, then click the Buy button. Finally, click Configure to begin setting up your new number. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.